I'm Anthony at Boatshed Legened. Give you a quick walk round this Mary Fisher 620, which is a 2008 model, which is in lovely condition. Sink and tap. And the helm, engine controls, stereo and switch panel, and DSC radio. Rev counter, the engine's covered 333 hours. Bow thruster, compass, view, side windows ventilation, upholstery, which is in lovely condition. Going around to the galley. Small chopping board on top of it, storage underneath, gas stove, there's a double bed. As you can see, the upholstery is in fabulous condition, as is the rest of the sleeping area. Back round, you have the double doors. Another hatch on the coach roof, and there you have it.